Hello everyone, this is Sri. Now we discuss the part 2 of map reading, the topographical forms, compass and the protractor, forebearing and backbearing. Types of north and finding own position.
So other important topic is topographical forms. Definitely one question will be asked from the topographical forms. Most probably null. Small isolated hill is known as null is asked in each and every examination. So what is a basin? Area drained by the river is known as a basin. Col or saddle is the joining points of the hill. Highest part of the hill is known as crest. Highest part of the hill is known as crest. Mountain pass or bridge is known as defile. Knoll, a small isolated hill, very important one. Plateau, elevated land without a peak is known as plateau. Ravine, valley between the spurs. What is a spurs? The range of hills is known as like the range from here to here is known as spur. And escapement is a steep hill is known as an escapement watershed edge of the river basin. So when the river basin is like this, there will be a edge, it is known as a watershed. I have only written some important topographical forms. There are some more topographical forms present. So coming to the next topic of types of north, there will be three types of north: true north, grid north, magnetic north. It is also asked in the practical, it's very important. So, what is the true north, what is a grid north, and what is a magnetic? True north is the original north we measure, is known as true north, and the magnetic north is the angle between magnetic north and the true north, is known as magnetic difference. The angle between true north and the grid north is known as grid convergence. Okay. Next, prismatic compass. It is of two types: dry prismatic compass and liquid prismatic compass. Liquid prismatic compass is mostly used in the army. So it's very important to know about the parts of the compass. The diagram will be given and they underline like this, mark like this, and give four options of cover, hing, window, and tongue. What do you choose? Hairline. If there is no option hairline, there should be a given no option. So make sure you know the parts of the compass thoroughly so that you should not be mistakenly kept other part. So uses of compass are bearing. It can know the direction. It is used to set a map and to find a own position. So what are some of the parts of the compass are tongue, hairline, window, lid, cover hinge and arrowhead is arrowhead, and cap line screw, it's a prism, notch, thumb ring, dial, and louver line. This is the lid, this is the tongue, this is the window, this is the hairline, and this is the cover. Okay. Next, coming to the service protector, and the 0 to 180 degree will be a angle like this, and 180 to 360 will be a angle like this if arrowhead is towards left angle. What are the uses of the service protector? The service protector is used to plot and measure the bearing of the map, and it is also used as a scale. It's used for the finding the own position. It also measures the distance on the map. So to find the own position, you have to know 4 points mostly. That is, you have to set a map. First of all, you have to set the map and identify two objects. That is, one visible on the map and ground. So after identifying, you have to convert the forebearing to the back bearing. So I have already told you to convert the back bearing to forebearing. So forebearing plus 180 and forebearing minus 180 in case of less than 180 and then more than 180. You have to convert the forebearing to back bearing. Then the back bearing on the map, the point of intersection, there will be a back bearing on map, right? There will be a point of intersection. This point of intersection is the position we wish to find. Next, it will be of two types. That from map to ground, if you have to find the position, there will be three methods. To ground to map, you have to find the position, there will be four methods. Bearing and the distance method to map to ground, direction and the distance method, and by estimation method. By using bearing, intersection, direction, and estimation, you can find ground to map positions. So items required for the navigation party at nighttime, there should be a special item so that to attack the enemy. What are those items? The compass is compulsory, and the luminous stick white cloth which will be visible in the dark, the marching chart and the white lime or chalk, stone pebble for the measuring steps, and foster touch. These are the important topics and subtopics of the map reading.